Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove text from the video in Inshot. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we have Inshot, and let's say you want to remove this text right here. So it's pretty simple. To actually remove text from Inshot, it's not possible, but we're actually going to use AI to do so. So here we have photor.com. Here in Photor, you can remove objects from videos online for free. So all you have to do is actually get a video online, or you will use this video right here to use it to remove our text. So all you have to do is just choose file or go to your photo library. So I'm just gonna cover this for a while. So while I look for my video. So here's the video and we want to do this. So here, now it's uploading. Then all you have to do is wait for the upload and AI to do its thing. So it's gonna remove objects from online videos. It can also remove logo, text, watermarks, backgrounds, and many much more. So let's say here, you can remove this. We can mark it right here and then remove. So here it's going to remove the object from the video. So you're going to expect this to be completed within 3 to 2 minutes of the back to the download. So you can download this after, and then we can edit it here in our InShot, of course. So all we have to do is wait for it. Now, as you can see, AI has done its thing here in InShot. So now it's been removed. So as you can see, there's no more text, but it's not really that perfect. So that's how you use AI to your advantage to remove the text and use InShot to edit anything else. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.